Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to edit Moody Outdoor filter on your image using Lightroom Mobile. There are some example photos before and after using this filter. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. First go to light. Bring the exposure minus 0.59. Bring the contrast plus 6. Highlights minus 20. Shadows plus 19. Whites plus 12. Blacks minus 21. Go to curve. Follow these settings. And go to color. Bring the temp plus 15. Bring the tint plus 14. Saturation minus 10. Go to color mix. First go to red color. And bring the hue minus 5. Saturation minus 10. Luminance minus 10. Next go to orange. Bring the hue minus 5. Saturation minus 10. Luminance plus 5. Go to yellow. Bring the saturation minus 30. Luminance plus 5. Next go to green. Bring the hue plus 20. Saturation minus 50. Luminance minus 15. Go to sky blue. Bring the hue minus 5. Saturation minus 20. Luminance minus 5. Next go to blue. Bring the hue minus 15. Saturation minus 35. Luminance minus 25. Go to purple. Bring the saturation minus 30. Luminance plus 15. Next go to pink. Bring the saturation minus 15. Luminance plus 15. And done. Next go to effects. Bring the clarity plus 5. Grain amount plus 20. Size plus 30. Go to split tone. Balance plus 80. And done. Now go to details. Sharpening 30. Radio S 0.80. Noise reduction 25. Color noise reduction 100. And done. Now your pic is ready to upload. Now let's try to copy this preset and pass to another picture. Copy settings and paste it. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe iSnap for more photography tutorial. See you next time. Have a great day.